Hi, I'm Susan, and today we're going to talk about one of the most important factors that you can control. We've heard over and over again that the number one thing colleges look at first is the grades on the transcript along with course rigor. So why is rigor so important? Rigor is important because colleges want to ensure that students are prepared to handle a college course load. If a student is applying to a highly selective college, but has only taken 1 or 2 AP classes, then the college has no real way of knowing if the student is really prepared, motivated, and positioned to be successful doing college-level work. Rigor is the number one factor admissions, particularly selective private college admissions, looks at first. And to further clarify, rigor is considered within the context of your specific high school and the personal circumstances of your student. Take the top 100 private colleges, for example. Most of their admissions folks are organized by state. They're high school specialists in their geographic areas. They know which high schools have grade inflation, which schools have the toughest AP history teachers in the district, and which schools have had successful, happy students matriculate to their college and graduate in 4 years. They track all of this information. They also understand the socioeconomic drivers in their area, and they can compare the public schools and the private schools within the same town. Also know that most of these top selective colleges recalculate their own GPA and weigh it internally with their own guidelines. Colleges take into consideration the high school and student circumstances. Colleges will not penalize a student for not taking AP classes in a high school that doesn't offer AP classes. And by student circumstances, I mean that colleges will be looking at factors like if the student is working 3 jobs and the first one in his family to attend college. A student willing to risk taking a harder class, AP or IB, rather than holding back to get the sure A by taking an honors or regular path, is not rewarded around the admissions table in most highly selective cases. Also know that all AP classes are not counted the same way. There are hard APs and soft APs. Colleges view these differently. The core subjects, math, history, science, and language, are considered the hard APs, and I would add computer science to that list. So which APs a student chooses matters too. If you attend a highly ranked high school that offers a large selection of AP classes, colleges will expect you to have challenged yourself by taking as many of them that make sense for your schedule and abilities. Colleges want to see a demonstrated pattern of challenge, strong work ethic, and a willingness on your part to push intellectually and academically. The bottom line, highly selective colleges want students who have taken the most challenging courses available to them and have excelled in those courses.